Next, we have Tula Rashi, that is Libra. How is the year 2026 for you work-wise? You are going to be overburdened with responsibilities. आपके कंधे पे बहुत सारी responsibilities रहेंगी. You need to delegate. आपको काम डेलीगेट करना है, हेल्प लेनी है जहाँ भी ज़रूरत पड़े. डोंट ट्राई एंड डू एवरीथिंग एंड मल्टीटास्क. इसमें आपका परफॉर्मेंस अफेक्ट होगा. सो जितना हो सके ट्राई टू डेलीगेट टास्क. यू वुड बी इन अ गुड पोजिशन बट ट्राई नॉट टू बी द ओनली डिसीजन मेकर. Relationships look good. You need to test situations before you get into it. अगर कोई नया रिलेशनशिप है तो पहले आप थोड़ा टाइम लीजिए, एक दूसरे को जानिए, get to know better before you take any important decision. How would this year be for you? For Vrishik Rashi, things remain the same. There won't be any major changes as far as work is concerned, and a few delays I can see for things to happen, but finally things will work out in your favor. As far as relationship is concerned, a few delays, जिनकी शादी नहीं हुई है थोड़ा डिले है, लेकिन it is in the pipeline, ज़रूर होगी लेकिन थोड़े डिले के साथ. This is a year where you have to take care of your health. Health could be affected. You could face certain energy drain. It could also be family health, people around in your family which could help indirectly affect you mentally. So आपको both physical और mental well-being पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है. Focus on meditation if you can, that would really help you. As far as work is concerned, financially you need to be more wise, take good decisions. Do proper investments. Don't go for short-term gains. Go for long-term. ये साल आपके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा रहेगा. Health would improve. You would take important steps to improve your health. वैसे डाइट रिलेटेड हो या एक्सरसाइज, उसमें आप ज़्यादा ध्यान देंगे और आगे बढ़ेंगे. रिलेशनशिप वाइज थोड़ी ज़्यादा फोकस देनी है, बिकॉज इन केस यू आर ओनली रनिंग आफ्टर योर जॉब, वर्क, मनी, आपका रिलेशनशिप डेफिनेटली अफेक्ट होगा. आपको उसके लिए भी वक्त निकालना है. As far as Makar Rashi is concerned, the cards suggest reflect on your past. Reassess your past. आपके पास में जो भी faults हुए हैं, any kind of success and failures, focus on those so that you don't repeat the same mistakes in future. Health के मुताबिक भी अगर आपने अपनी health पे ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं दिया है, this is the time, this is the year where you will focus, you should focus and reassess what you haven't been doing right. As far as relationships are concerned, forget and forgive. Do not hold on to grudges. Learn to forgive loved ones and go forward. आप अगर उनकी faults को पकड़ के रखेंगे, your relationship will stagnate, it will not grow forward. How would this year be for Aquarians, health-wise, relationship-wise? Health is definitely improving. There is good health. You have a victory card. You will overcome whatever health issues you have been suffering from. अगर आपको कोई भी health के issues रहे हों, आप उसमें से बाहर आ जाएंगे. It looks like you are going towards better health and a good lifestyle. As far as relationships are also concerned, you are moving towards stability. You're going from a difficult phase to a stable phase. So this is a transition period. So all in all, a good year for Aquarians. Next we have Meen Rashi, Piscean. Let's see how this year is for Pisces. आपको हेल्थ पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है. You could have some health issues. It could be something related to the stomach. So be a little careful as far as digestion is concerned, intestinal health is concerned. आपको उस पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है. डाइट और एक्सरसाइज पे भी फोकस करना है. As far as relationship, you have the best card, that is the Sun card. That means relationships will bloom. This is the year where your relationships will do extremely well and you will come out victorious. Those who are looking for marriage may even settle down, and those who have not found a partner may find one very soon. So this is about all the sun signs, their relationship as well as health for the year 2026. So this episode was basically on health as well as relationships for all the sun signs. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Have a great, prosperous new year, and I wish you all the love, luck and light.
सिर्फ शिमारू एस्ट्रो पर।
अब वेब, मोबाइल और टीवी पर उपलब्ध।